Want to view your YouTube TV bill? It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through it. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube TV app or website and sign into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings. From there, go to the Billing section. Here you'll see a detailed breakdown of your current subscription, including the base plan cost, any add-ons like Sports Plus or 4K Plus, and applicable taxes. If you want to review past bills, look for an option like Billing History or Payments and Subscriptions. This may redirect you to your Google account billing page. This will show all your previous charges, payment methods used, and receipts for each billing cycle. For even more details, visit pay.google.com and navigate to the Subscriptions tab under your Google account. Here, you can manage payments and see invoices for your YouTube TV subscription. And that's it! Now you know how to view your YouTube TV bill. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.